is our train, 7 p.m. Bye, Chiang Mai. This is 5 baht.
Ano ba yan?
Hi guys! So we're back here in the Chiang Mai Railway Station. So at my back is the Chiang Mai Railway Station. Pabalik na tayo ngayon ng Bangkok. And our train will depart at 5 p.m. So it's just 4:10. We still have time to buy some food. Because abutan na kami ng dinner sa train. And alam na, expensive yung mga tinda sa loob ng train. Kaya bibili muna kami. Inantay ko lang si Kuya Alan bago bumili ng pagkain. Habang bumili, hinantay ko siya, pakita ko sa inyo yung Chiang Mai Railway Station. So ito yung Chiang Mai Railway Station. So maliit lang siya as compared to the Bangkok Railway Station, but ano siya, very classic yung kanyang itsura. So antay lang natin si Kuya Alan. So ito siya. Sunduin na nga natin. Pasok na nga tayo sa loob. Baka makasalubong natin siya. So once you enter the station, ito yung makikita nyo. Ayan na si Kuya Alan. Hindi lang kami ng food para sa aming night travel. So this gonna be much comfortable because pagdating namin ng Bangkok, alas 6 na ng umaga. Bababa na lang kami. Unlike na pupunta namin dito sa Chiang Mai. So tara, bili muna tayo ng food. Bibili ako. Let's buy this barbecue. This is 5 baht.
Ano ba yan?
This is cooked already? Cook already? Alright.
I'll get the other na hindi nalalangawan.
I'll get one.
Ano ba luto na ba to?
Babaunin.
May kanin ka.
Doon, yun nandun.
Okay.
Do you have rice? Rice? Ayan, may rice oh.
Okay, very nice and beautiful.
2, 4, 6,
20 lang para 30.
8 pieces for me.
And one this rice.
And then
rice.
two.
How
much is
that?
the rice? 5.
So
Napakamura.
how much? 40 ba?
Yan. How much is mine? Alright guys, so this is the Chiang Mai Railway Station. We're gonna go inside. So Lana and Charity are inside waiting for us. I'm not sure kung meron ng tren, but I think we're in platform number 3. Let's see if we can now board the train because it's already 4 plus. We're train number 10 if I'm not mistaken. Let's check if we can board now. Platform number 3. Rice. Barbecue. Sa ating dalawa. Ano? Alright guys, we're now boarding the train. So, one last time. Bye Chiang Mai. So this is our train, 7 p.m. Bye Chiang Mai. We're looking for train number 10. So let's go look for train number 10. Lapit. It's been a happy 3 days here in Chiang Mai. And we're just very happy to be here. For me to be back here with Lana. And the trip was really magical. It was really nice seeing those elephants and those ratongs and those lantern, of course. And this morning we just had a cooking class with Mama Noy. And that's why this trip has been very magical and very nice. I will repeat this trip again, all over again. Because I really like, Chiang Mai. So let's just wait and let's just go to train number 10. So this is train number 13. I hope we have a very nice train at this point, at this time. Because from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, our train, it's kind of old, but it's still working. And we still had a comfortable sleep. But I hope this one will be nicer. We will depart at exactly 5 p.m. and arrive in Bangkok at 6:10 a.m. Hopefully, no more delays. Alright, this is train number 11. The next one is our couch. Let us proceed. Train number 10. I think this is it. This is our train now. Let's just enter. Ewan lang. $25, $27.6. Okay. Saan ka kaya lang? Dito. Dito ka. Tagal na to.
Parang okay. May silence na rin.
Here. Alright guys, so we are now inside the train station. So we still have more than 30 minutes before we depart Chiang Mai, and for now we will just settle here and enjoy while we're not yet moving. I hope we can talk to the person in front of me, to exchange spaces with Lana, so that we can be together in this berth. All right, so let's just see. But this is the same train, not exactly the same, but all right, we're now moving.
We're moving to Bangkok.
Goodbye, Chiang Mai.
Sawadee crab din.
Sawadik ka ikaw, sawadik ka. Pag lalaki, sawadik ka. Bye, Chiang Mai. See you again. You never know when, but definitely we will see you again.
Ikot muna ako sa ibang like Taiwan. Pero nakamabalik ko sa ano. Nakamabalik ko.
Inspector.
Kasi binabalik-balik ako.
Singapore.
Kailan? Dati.
2014 ata sa 2016.
Hindi ako bumabalik. Kung may choice ako na wala bang may choice.
Maganda rin kasi sa Singapore. Malamig din ako.
Singapore, malamig. Singapore? Hong Kong yun.
Hindi siya yung parang ano.
Baka nasa loob lang kayo ng mall kaya nila na. Baka na nga pag umalis ka. Balik sa
Mamaya na. Yun, yun ang station.
So this is the situation right now here inside the train. So I'm just waiting for the attendant to turn off the lights so that we can fall asleep because I can really fall asleep with lights turned on. So let's just wait for it, and then maybe I'll just find my sleep in this train journey. So guys, I'll see you in Bangkok in about I don't know, maybe 10 hours. So we'll expected to arrive in Bangkok at around 6:10 a.m. But I guess we departed delayed like 5:30. I'm not sure. Maybe we'll arrive in Bangkok at around 7 a.m. Alright, so I'll see you later, guys. So I'll just find my sleep. Bye bye. So, hi guys! Andito tayo ngayon sa hotel natin in Bangkok. So, after the 14-hour train ride, actually it was a delayed train ride ng mga around 45 minutes late siya. Dapat darating kami sa Bangkok ng 6:10 a.m. but we arrive at around 6:55 p.m. AM, sorry. Tapos kakarating lang namin dito sa hotel namin sa may Prato Dam, 4M Prato Dam. So saka na ako magkakaroon ng room tour or ng hotel tour, siguro separate vlog na lang natin 'yon. But for this vlog, I hope you enjoyed and nagustuhan nyo yung ating vlog from Chiang Mai to Bangkok. And right now, magkapahinga lang tayo siguro mga 2 to 3 hours. Tapos, we're gonna go out to do some temple tour here in Bangkok. So, bye guys!